Just don't mind the background sound. It's just my mom's TV. Anyways, let's go to level -9. Oh my! Am I going the right way? Okay. Noise pollution. I'm seeing the snake.
Guys, ang hinihingi ko lang, don't give us any quarters. Prayers for the country. Thank you, everyone.
Don't mind the background guys, please.
Sorry.
Kanina sir na-mention nyo na yung protect lagi mo sa mga kasama ninyo nandyan. How do you intend to protect po yung mga kasama po ninyo para hindi po kayo malaga sa lang?
Prayers, work of faith. Nung nawala sa bato, yung misis niya, text na tumawag kay Senator Bongo, sana naman daw sa bawat pag-inipit, maalala na siya. Maganda na ang taguan, pero si Jingo,
Okay,
yun din ang sinabi ko sa akin, akong kasama dito, nagpapare. Deadbeat na ako dito, baka mabulok na ako dito, pag nag-iwalay-iwalay pa, dito sa grupo, hindi ako bumigay. I saw him during the most crucial time, diba? So, nangyari sa akin, so we're still praying. Baka meron pa na konsensya sa kanila. Diba? Yun yung the problem with corruption in the Philippines is that when you put every single person under the microscope, ay makikita kayo. Diba? And then the best answer I heard was the President Dani Sanjay. Yes, sabi niya, I walk up to the group of political eh, sabi niya, mag-uwi ka lang ng April Tuesday. Nasa gobyerno.
Oh my, who is... Let's go. Let's go to -10. Oh my god.
Kaya I unify people. Okay?
It's
Thank
still
you.
a walking simulator, so...
Marami.
That's the question.
Okay,
Confident ako na pare-parehong prinsipyo namin and that we'll make the right decisions together. Kasi kung ako lang ha, parang gusto ko nang sabihin sa dalawang kabila na mayroon nila yung boto kasi ang hirap ng pinagdadaanan nila tapos parang ako lang nakikinabang dahil ako ang SB. So, although alam na nila na ilang kaso na ilan na ang inalungkat sa akin, so nandun yung support. So, I'm confident in our democracy. I'm confident that the Philippines is a country of the virtue. So, I face this. I'll just quote someone na nakasama ko. Sabi niya sa akin, Brad, alam mo naman ako, kasi magkasama kami nun. Hindi ko nakasama kayo sa nakasama ko kay GMA na. Sabi niya sa akin, Brad, alam mo naman, kahit nabili ako sa Luneta, single ako nun, wala akong pamilya, wala akong asawa, makakakatay ko. Pero ngayon, makakarain sa puso natin, pero hindi ako kakalas. So, ganun na yung salita natin. So, also may asawa ko, I have been blessed to have children. I have a lot of public heads I think that's my children. I have my ate na I didn't want to put in. But she's a senator, as much as me, she's happy to do this. She didn't want the Blue Ribbon. But kanina siya nagsabing, kung magkakagulo doon sa baba, baka respeto nila kung babae. So siya, buti lang sumama si Robin kasi kahit pa na babae, haharangin pa rin sa baba. So, I'm confident God is in control, but I cannot tell you more than now. I don't know what will happen later, I don't know what will happen tomorrow, I don't know what will happen.
I just want to come.
Okay.
Matthew Perez from Malaya.
Kanina na-hack yung Facebook ni ni Senator Marcoleta, tinignan ko, may nag-drum, sabi ko baka bombo yun.
Oh my, what is this noise pollution?
Last
Senator, it's from me, Matthew from Malaya. Yes, I would like to ask, how do you feel about the palace recognizing the leadership of acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian?
Expected. I don't feel bad about that kasi expected. I feel bad na since Actually, nagpahiwatig ako sa palasyo 2 weeks before I took over. I talked to many of their allies and told them, mukhang improbable na pumalit kaming grupo, pero possible.
I'm
Improbable
insufferable.
dahil marami kayong hawak dahil tinatakot nyo, pero probable kasi hindi na tenable yung ginagawa ni Senator Lacson, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Soto. So,
I am
nung nagulat
here.
sila, nagsisisihan na kasi hindi sila naniwala
I forgot the
nangyayari.
tutorial of my brother,
Pinaabot ko
bro.
na priority namin impartial na impeachment kasi yun naman hiling ng ating mga kababayan at yung ekonomiya kasi hindi natin nararamdaman dito sa Manila at dito sa mga air condition na kwarto pero yung mga kababayan natin sa bawat barangay, whether Metro Manila, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, OFW sa Middle East, nararamdaman nila. So, tinanong ng mga ibang kakampi nila, Blue Ribbon, sabi ko, we want to know the truth, but we want it
So,
as a
we
fair,
want to
so
know
sana both sides nandun. So,
We're at
nagulat
the
lang
cloud
kami for the
place.
next 3 weeks kami nakalaban. But maybe, as I said, yung mga kapatid, so, grabe pa rin yun. Yung mga gusto mo. Again, kung hindi, I will not comment to the ways of production. I just leave it to the people to give it to us to do it. Thank you very much. May leadership doesn't matter. What matters is to do what is right. Sabi ko nga, kung one day na ako presentation, so SP to the hindi ako magpapasinarinig yan kasi it's not how long we have, but it's what we do. So, as long as there is the freedom SP and there is doing lang dyan, ito yung may sister kanina. Sabi ko, natin, parang hindi wishes na ito sila makakon para mabusap. Yan, at mabusap ako sa namin at hindi namin siya sa politik.